Hi and welcome. Give me one moment. I'm just sharing the link on Twitter and then I'll be posting the information. Alrighty, I am here. Shared the link. I need to share my screen. All right, so I need to set up the chat. Hi Tarun, hi Jolie, hi Deepak, hi Saurav, hi Senthil. Good evening, everyone. So today was a very good day. Again, like I'm not able to trade much, but all the levels which you were discussing in the last couple of days, because we were in a range. Today we broke that range of 38.55 and bang, we almost see all the targets. If I look at my sheet from last analysis, we almost came near to 39.25. So it's almost done. NQ did 260 almost. Triple Q did 294.50, bang on. Apple did 145, AMD once 79.50. Amazon is towards this area. Boeing did 143. Baba did 125. Serum towards 176. Crowd did 190. DDoG struggled. Google did 2360, done. Meta did 171. Microsoft 269. Netflix is 190. Nvidia 158. QCOM 131. Roku 92. Tesla 733. UAL and Zoom, they didn't work out. So all in uh, all these trades really worked out, and I hope you all made good money on them. I did not had a good day today. Like I made some money, but last 2 days were really good for me. So I'm all right. Some days like you have, I was anticipating a little ease off in the morning so that I can jump onto the trades, but nah, it didn't work out. It just went on and on and on and on and on. But all in all the targets achieved. And again, I do not trade on any news or any anticipation. I trade simply on the levels. And all these levels are here because we did not close above 38.55 yesterday. Today we broke above this area and bang on. Never looked back. So hi Lee, hi Srini, hi Meher. That's awesome, Meher. Hi Gagan. I'm good, Gagan. Hi Amit. Hi Tarun. I hope you're all learning from what I do and how I do it. And once you learn, you can improve your trading. Because like trading as a gamble is not correct. It's a calculated uh, risk and a calculated decision. So if you trade based on all the mathematics, all the learnings you have, you will make a good decision. If you make a trade on emotions, you will end up on a losing side. Like today, I tried a couple of them. Like I went into Nvidia, it went on, but I exited early. Same thing with Meta, it worked. I exited early. Google worked out well. Like Google has been on the Heikinishi on 30 minutes, bang, bang, bang. It has not stopped at all. It's just going on and on. And that's the power of Heikinishi. If you are in a position, it allows you to carry that position. All right. In case you have any questions, I will try to answer them once I'm done with my analysis. Or if you want to join, because for the last couple of times, I don't see people coming on the Zoom call. So unless and until somebody asks, I will post the link. Otherwise, I'm not posting the link anymore. All right. So let me get started. We'll cut down on these two, maybe depending on how many tickers we want to pursue. So let me start with my scan, open low high, a firm open low or same. And I have shared this many times. This is the very important learning in SPX. If SPX open and low are same, do not try to short it. It's a thumb rule when SPX open and low are same by 9:45, do not short it. Sure, Kumar, I'll check on Roblox. So AVGO 488, 488, 501. Baba 120.63, 120.63, 125. See, if you look at my sheet, I gave a very high conviction on Baba and BA, both in the blue colors, and both did the job. So if you have set up, if you know they are going to break out or break down, you will have confidence in a trade. And that gives you a much better opportunity to make money. All right, so open high, low scanner works all the time. Now let me see inside day. DAL has Disney. Rule blocks has Snow is also running really good. Last time the numbers were pathetic. I don't know why it is up to from like 100 all the way to 159. But let's see. Roblox. So I may include instead of UL, maybe Roblox. Alrighty. I am ready to start my analysis. So let's start with ES first. As I said previously, the trend is really, really strong. We had the targets 39.25 and 38.95. If you look here, this is also shaped like I was calling it a W, but it's also making an inverted head and shoulder as well. If we break above this red line, 3925, if we break above this line, we can easily hit 4180, 4160 area. There is clean move towards this. If we break and persist, 4009 is the first resistance. Once we clear it, 2 more percent. That's an area where I would see like we might see into the earnings. But if we lose 38.55 this time, it's going to be nasty. So 38.55 is make or break area. It has moved up from the trend line. This was the trend line. It based out of here, bounced. Then it is basing out of here and is bouncing. Once it crosses, it has not crossed. Let me clean this and convert them into normal candles. See, we have not successfully hold the 34 EMA. We tried here. One day we went long, then we backed down. One day we call long, next day we back down. We do not have back-to-back 2 days of green above 34 EMA. So that is the significance of 34 EMA. If we close above 34 EMA over the week, I think that will be a really, really good positive. The crude has come down, the commodities had come down. That will have a ripple effect on the inflation. And if that remains so, we should see some resilience by the market. And if you see in the last couple of days, tech has seen some significant buying, especially in the bigger names that may continue to persist. So that's here 4009 and 4104. So I'm positive. Now my stop losses, I need to just check. Uh, so 3895, this is 3892. 3892 is my stop loss. I want to buy above. I can buy above 3900. Uh, 3910. So there's 20.3910. That's the buying opportunity. First target is 3925 or 22, which is this area. Then I do not have any significant resistance until 4009. So it will be a clean sweep, and it's W in making, and also inverted head and shoulders, I, H, and S. Short, still 30%. But now I want to short 3892. Stop loss is 3910, 3855, which is this area, and the 12 EMA as well. I don't think so. We are going below this at this time. So I'm gonna keep both the targets same. If we lose 3855, this time we are going to make you lose. So 3855 is an extremely important wall. If it breaks, we see new lows. So do not ignore 3855. NQ, as I said last time, that once we cross 12,000 area, we should see 12,963, and I'm of the same opinion even now. If you want, I can make some. Let me make some. It is a rejection from right from this line. Okay, let me make some regression. Fibonacci retracements. $11,068. You've already bounced almost 1,000 points from the lows. The highs 13,548. Wait, what did I do? No, I did the wrong one. This is $548, $68. Yeah. So now we are right above this area, and that area is 38.2 Fibonacci, this 12,000 area, which has acted as resistance for the past. Even now, it's acting as a resistance, but I am bullish. I expect it to hit 12,300, 12,600. 12,015 or 12,050, 60 is a really, really good support. So we should buy it above 12,000 open. 12, where is open? Close 12,150. So we should buy above 12,150. Stop loss is 12,065, 12,300, 12,600. It's also W in making. W will become here 12,600. Trend is positive, recaptured 34. Again, it's really, really important. If we lose 34, it's bad. ES is yet to capture 34. NQ has achieved 34. So it's there. Has regained for EMA, which is important. Now on the short side, I will short below 12,015. Stop loss will be 1265. Target will be 11,865. I don't think so. We are going below this at this time. 11,865. If we lose it, is not going to be nice. So let's see if we can hold it. Triple Q. Triple Q hit exactly 294.50 and regained the 34. As I said, Nasdaq has gained, so Triple Q automatically will gain the 34 EMA. Now it's bouncing really, really good. Support is 293.50, which is the 34 EMA. And same 295. Stop loss is 293, which is the 34 EMA. Target is 299 and 306. 295 and 306. On the short side, I will short below 293.35. Stop loss is 295. Target is 289.80. And test of 12 EMA to 87.26. So I don't think so. We're gonna go below to 87.26. So this is the ratio for going down on Triple Q. All these are numbers. If you are looking to book your profit, keep the target areas in mind that yes, this is the target area. If you have two lots, try to book one with target one and then let target two in your chase. Apple, I've told many times, once it breaks 137, 145.63 is the target. Today it closed above 145.63. Now it opens up for 150 area. It's really, really showing some strength. But again, I don't expect excellent earnings from Apple. I would buy 145.63 or 65 is my stop loss now. This is 23. This is a significant Fibonacci level. Reclaimed 20.36 fib level. Good bullish sign. Buy above today's high, which is 146.55. $150.71. $150.71 will be an important area. It's a 38 Fibonacci level, which is hard to cross. So let's see if it can cross. Again, 60%. AMD from neutral to positive now. It bounced, closed right on 79.43. Almost tested the 12 EMA. Now, I want to buy AMD if it can regain. If it fails 79.43 now, see, when there's one common sense which should we all traders use. This was the break of the support, and this is the next support. It was acting as a support. Once it broke down, it looked for the next support. Once it found the support, it is looking for the resistance. Now, this was acting as a support in the past. This will act as a resistance. So if we can breach this, hold above this, and reclaim 12 EMA, we have potential to hit 86 and 87, which is high potential trade. AMD stop loss is 79.50. I want to buy above 12 EMA, which is 80.25. Targets are significant because chip stocks have seen some extremely hard sell-off. Now it should follow with some extremely good positive move, 87.35. Tested the support, now tested the resistance. And there's also a gap. So remember, if we do not cross 17 and 43 and it act as a resistance, you can sell it for the gap fill. Those gaps will be filled. Then we have Amazon. Amazon finally broke out above 114.50, which is 34 EMA, and now it is looking for 119 and 121. So everything for me is same. 114.50 is my stop loss because that's 34 EMA. I want to go above 116.50. Or if it can come in the range 115.50 to 116.50. If it comes in this range, I'm looking for this. I'm reducing it to 60%. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days back to back, it's higher, high, higher low. So that's Amazon. DA almost ready to break 143. It's consolidating really nicely here. The 12 EMA and 34 EMA are converging towards each other. I think it's setting for an excellent move. Stop loss is now 34 EMA, which is 113, 138.13. So that is the stop loss. Target is 140. Buy near 139, 140. It's a bull flag. Everything is same. Baba, with the inside day, it broke out and it opened above. So the high here was 120.53 and the low here is 120.63. So it's an inside day breakout. I think it will continue. The stop loss can be defined as 119. Oh, no, it could be 120. 120 can be a very good stop loss for Baba. And you can buy theirs between 122. Again, I will recommend a range. 121, 130. Accumulated. Most likely you will see 140 next week. Most likely. I'm so bullish on Baba. It's a breakout after a very long time. You see, it's a clear W. Once it breaks out above 127, it's gonna boom. 38.2 was 114. It had some resistance. Now, once we break it, we should see in straight line 140 area. And I'm extremely bullish on Baba even now. Then we have CRM. CRM is moving slowly and steadily towards its target, 180. Tested 34 EMA to the point, and that will act as extremely good support. The low here 176 and the close here, they are in same, so this should be a really good area to add. So CNM add near 176.75, and stop loss should be the middle of this candle and the high of this candle. High is 175. So 175 is the area. 180 and then these two candles. 186.50. Day breakout. It's a morning star, which I just said. It's a continuation of the morning star. The morning star continuation. Crowd. Crowd is slowly, steadily moving. It's making higher high, higher lows. Did 190 today. It's like 186 is extremely good area. So 186 is the support. Now, if you want to, and this is the bullish candle today, it completely covers the body. See here, it went from top to bottom to top. This tried to create a pressure, but the buyers came in, covered the entire body. So they took off all the selling pressure, closed it higher. So it shows some sign of bullishness. So if it persists, it's a bullish engulfing. And buy near 188, 190. Target is still 199. D-Dog, the trend is positive, but it's an inside day, first of all. Second thing, it's consolidating. It's like not making new highs. So if it holds 106, the low of this area, 105.90. And if we can buy above 108, it can be open for 114 and 125. It's an inside day. Google almost hit all the targets, 2360, 2375, exactly to the point it hit, closed on that point. Now 2410, 2461. 2360 is going to be a really good support. 2360. Target is 2410. 2461. It has split coming next week, so it's showing some significant strength. Buy about 2275. There's no need to short Google. If it goes down, try to buy the dip. That's really useful. Facebook, Meta. So Meta was struggling throughout the day, but finally it closed over this, making higher high, and it's set up for a W. It did bounce from it, reclaim 23, should hit 176 now. Stop loss of 170.90. You can buy anywhere above 172. 176.75 or 85. 176.85 is the target. and it's a clean morning star and a continuation. So here we had the morning star, we have one back-to-back continuation. So usually 3 or 4 candle comes with the morning star. 2 are already done. We might have a third tomorrow. Microsoft, same thing with Microsoft. It's making higher highs, coming towards 269 area. There is no gap to be filled. Extremely beautiful consolidation. It's a bull flag. If we break our 269, we will hit 278, 280 area. It's also inverted head and shoulder patterns. If you see a little bit like this, if we break 269, 278, 280 is on the cards for uh, Microsoft. I would love to buy Microsoft at any price with 266.25 as my stop loss. So everything is positive now, all of a sudden. 67 to 69. Target is first 275 to 80. Again, higher high, higher lows. I'm gonna remove the blue line just to make them, because at that time they were setting up, but now they have done 1 point, so it's there. Netflix, I'm expecting Netflix to post something really good this earnings. It's consolidating well. Once it crosses 192, it will open up a good move. It's a bullish candle again. It has an extremely big gap to fill. I think it should test 240, 250 by the earnings. So I would accumulate it with 185.60 as my stop loss. I'm keeping it still neutral. By in the range 187, 189. $192, 195, 192.25. Yep, it's good. Nvidia from all the way. Test of 23, bounced, reclaim 38, holding about 12 EMA, which is good. Now 156 is really good support. We should look for 168, 169 target. 168 target. And you can buy this again in the range 157 to 158.5. If it comes in this range, it's a going opportunity. And I've this equation as well, it works, but it's a bullish candle. QCOM, it just ran. So it's a breakout. So I'm going to remove it. Already done its job. Roku is coming into that area. It's a bullish candle holding this range. And again, it's an inverted head and shoulder pattern, which is boiling up. Once we create 98, it should see 110, 115. So stop loss is 88.50. Or if you want to increase to 34, make it 91. And buy, it's a bullish engulfing, so it's right there. Buy about today's high, which is 93.50. Or you can buy in 92, 93 range. Because Roku is something which is uh, a little tricky when it opens. Then we have Tesla. Tesla did 733 exactly to the point and closed right there, recaptured, broke about 702 and exactly did this. Even the stop loss, it came near. So it's extremely valuing these levels. So I want to go long above 733. Stop loss is 725, which is right here. Target is 760, 779. And if you want to sell below 725, 733, and target is 701, 686. That's Tesla. Then we have Roblox. Roblox has double inside day, has seen some good consolidation. It's a bull flag. Roblox, it's double inside day, bull flag. You can take a stop loss of 3750. And buy between 39 and 40. Range. Targets I need to make now. $21.65. $15. So it's again, see, I just created this level and you look, this is the high 40.35, exactly got tested from the Fibonacci. It was acting as a base 23.6 Fibonacci levels. So it's really, really important. Target comes out to be 44.75. And this is a high beta stock, meaning it will move higher if the market is green, and it will go down more if the market is red. 37.5 is a good stop loss. If you lose this, you can go short it. Last one I have is Zoom. Zoom is also consolidating well, holding it's a bullish candle. It was inverted head and shoulders but didn't work out. Now it's setting up a bullish engulfing candle. I would keep a stop loss of 118.90. Yep. Looking for a target of 127.35. Yep, that's it. So this is my list. If you have any questions, do let me know. I will post this sheet on the Twitter. And if you like it, you can share it. And thank you very much. Let me read your comments if anybody has any questions. Hi guys, sorry I was doing my analysis. I don't see any question as such. So, all right, I'm gonna close this session and we'll see you over the weekend. All the best and have a good night.